Hello and welcome. In this session, we're going to practice useful Japanese phrases for asking directions and getting around. Take your time, repeat each phrase after me, and focus on clear pronunciation. Let's get started. Ikiwa doko desu ka? Where is the train station? Minsu torto wa ikeba ai desu ka? How can get to the main street? Hoteru wa doko ni aruka oshitmura emasu ka? Can you tell me where the hotel is? Shino Shinbu wa doko desu ka? Where is the city center? Koko karati desu ka? Is it far from here? Hidari desu ka? Migi desu ka? Is it to the left or to the right? Hakobutsukan made no michi o oshitmura emasu ka? Can you show me the way to the museum? Toshokan o sagashite imasu? I'm looking for the library. Koko karachikai desu ka? Is it close to here? Michijun o oshitmura emasu ka? Can you give me directions? Mashugu ikeba ai desu ka? Do I go straight ahead? Ichiban chikai chikatetsu no eki wa doko desu ka? Where is the nearest subway station? Takosh o sagasu no o tetsudat kuremasu ka? Can you help me find in taxi? Ken wa doko desu ka? Where is the park? Kank anaijo o oshitmura emasu ka? Can you point me to the tourist office? Kono chikaku ni esu wa arimasu ka? Is there a supermarket nearby? Basute wa doko desu ka? Where is the bus stop? Bichi wa dor kuraiti desu ka? How far is the beach? Hidari ni ikimasu ka? Migi ni ikimasu ka? Do I take a left or a right? Agai is ino ikikata o oshitemura emasu ka? Can you show me the way to the airport? Soko ni ikuno ni dore kurai jikan ga kakarimasu ka? How long does it take to get there? Ichiban chikai cave wa doko desu ka? Where is the nearest cafe? Takosh no riba wa ikeba ai desu ka? How can get to the taxi station? Kikai wa doko desu ka? Where is the church? Chikako ni hoteru wa arimasu ka? Is there a hotel nearby? Aruit ikemasu ka? Can walk there? Ibinkyoku wa doko desu ka? Where is the post office? Basut minaru wa ikimasu ka? How do I get to the bus station? Romentensha no terijo wa doko desu ka? Where is the tram stop? Sugi no densha wa nanji ni demasu ka? What time does the next train leave? Machikarati desu ka? Is it far from the city? Michi ni mayoi mashita. Tasokete kuremasu ka? I'm lost, can you help me? Chaizu di oshitmura emasu ka? Can you show me on the map? Kono michi wakawa ikimasu ka? Does this path lead to the river? Bijutsukan wa doko desu ka? Where is the art museum? Shopping umru igno ikikata o oshitemura emasu ka? Can you tell me how to get to the shopping mall? Irigochi wa doko desu ka? Where is the entrance? Bichi wa aruit ikeba ai desu ka? How can walk to the beach? Basuti no chikako desu ka? Is it near a bus stop? Soko e ikuno ni chikatetsu otsuka o hitsui ga arimasu ka? Do I need to take the subway to get there? Konohen karati desu ka? Is it far from this neighborhood? Shiakusho wa doko desu ka? Where is the town hall? Ato o oshitmura emasu ka? Can you give me a route? Kono michi wayama ikimasu ka? Does this path lead to the mountain? Daigaku wa ikeba ai desu ka? How can get to the university? Ichiba wa doko desu ka? Where is the market? Degochi wa doko desu ka? Where is the exit? Migi ni magarimasu ka? Do I have to turn right? Kuruma di ikutudoro kurai kakarimasu ka? How long does it take to get their gis car? Rikishi hakubutsukan wa doko desu ka? Where is the history museum? Great job! You've just practiced some of the most helpful phrases for navigating in Japanese-speaking places. Keep reviewing them regularly to build confidence and fluency. Thanks for joining, and see you next time. Safe travels!